Welcome back to Gardening with Green. Today I am growing sweet potatoes. I was at Lowe's and I saw they had two potatoes for $3.98, so we're going to plant them. One of the potatoes already has little purple leaves growing out. Normally you would grow with sweet potatoes with potato slips. Place the potato in water and it'll grow slips, then you plant it. But I'm going to try to go ahead since I'm a little late planting and try to plant them in this pot, that 15-gallon pot. I have my Gardenscape potting soil that I'm going to use. I'm going to fill that bucket like a quarter of the way and place the potatoes inside. I have my bucket filled. Here are my potatoes. There's the little purple leaves at the top where the slips will start coming from if I had them soaked in water, but since it's already started, I'm going to go ahead and place it in this pot. Put them right here. I'm going to put both of them in the same pot. And when the slips start to grow, I'm going to try to place them in the ground or just place them in another pot to see what I can get. And I might just leave one seedling in this pot to see how many grows. I have covered the potatoes with like another 1.5 inches of dirt, and I'll give you guys a video when it sprouts. These are my yellow potatoes. I've already watered those in, and I just covered these potatoes and watered these in. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.